Hello everyone. I'm just going to show you how to use my submission that I've created. So first of all, you have to be adding your own database through this through the files in this data folder. I put three examples in here, which should be on the GitHub. But basically, you just have to type in the data in the format specified in the assignment. You can add as many labels and rows and columns as you want. Just make sure the format is correct. Once you do that, and then you run the program, um, it will automatically load in any databases in that file. So it's not just those three. If you add a new file, it'll load that as well. I'm just going to list you some commands we can do. These are just preset that I've written just as an example, but basically the way it works is that there's like 5 operations you can do. There's select, project, join, select, project, join, and set. I always forget set. Um, and so what you'll do is you basically type in one of those. So I'm just going to do the example that's in there. Select, so that's like a filter. Age is the label in the employees database. You can do different conditions for this. So you can do less than equal to, larger than equal to, larger than, I think we're not equal. I should test it not equal, so let's try that one. And then I'm just going to apply this to the employees database. And this is a little at the very bottom. Oh yeah, you can see it. So you can see what it's done now is it's taken the employees database, which had these 4 people in it, and it's filtered them so that none of them have age being 30. And of course, none of them had that to begin with, so it doesn't do anything. You can see conversely, if I do age equals 30, then only the label will come out. And if I do something like less than, then it'll only be people that are younger than that, so only Alice and Bob. You can also do other operations. Let's see if I can have any in there. No, I guess not. So you can also do join. Sorry, set union. So set is set operations in general. So what they have there is they have union. And type in two and databases here. So it's done the set union of these two databases where um, you can see it doesn't put anything in here because it's not like it's a null or like a left side. It has to be inner joined. Perhaps I should change that, but it's probably too late for that. You can also do difference to get the things that are employees minus managers, basically. So nothing that's in employees and managers will show up, only it's in employees. Managers, they're not really the same, so it doesn't change anything. And there's also intersect, so if it's only in both of them. And you can see that nothing comes out because these two are pretty orthogonal. I don't have any examples in my database that are overlapping to begin with. There's also join, so I can do join, and then I want to join on, how does this work again? Oh yeah, it needs a label. So I'll do employee ID, and then I'll do employees and managers. And so I haven't implemented all the joins. I've only done the inner join, which means that if it doesn't line up, it won't actually add it, I believe. Or so yeah, it'll add it only if this matches between 2 entries, the label that you've specified. And since managers and employees have orthogonal, they have like unique employee IDs, that won't actually work. But if I do salaries, that should work. If we do salaries, that works. Yeah, there's no explanation for that. So to make anything there. You have the employee, oh, this should be new. Employees 1, 2, 3, 7. Then we have salaries, which does employees 1, 2, 3, and you can see their salaries. And what it does is it takes this entry and takes that data from that point. Oh, just to know that as well. And it'll combine them together to make a final table. And anything doesn't match. For instance, employee 7 had no salary, he doesn't show up. Yeah, and this is it's implemented recursively, this code. And so you should be able to do an infinite number of McNesting, right? So I have one here where it's, let's see if it works. So it's a join on the employee ID, select only employees that are, it's a whole thing. And you can see it makes an output. So what it's done is it's combined the employees and managers together, and then it's only selected those that are above age 30, and then it's combined to get their salaries. So we end up with a person who's an employee or a manager above the age of 30, and then what's their salary. So yeah, that's how it works. Thank you for watching.